Alright, I'm cleaning out the coil on my refrigerator, and this will help it work more efficiently. It will save you some money and hopefully extend the life of the refrigerator itself. So first I vacuum off the back. There's tons of dust on here, so vacuum it off. Then we'll unscrew all these screws that are holding. I believe there's 4 across it that hold it on there. We'll unscrew those, and then we'll take this cardboard cover off so we can get to the underneath to clean more there. And we'll take this off. Now you see there's the coil. Now I'm using a lint lizard, and I got that for my dryer. I use it in my dryer. It works very well. It is a little on the thick side to get between the coil, but it does pretty good. It's the best thing I have at the moment, so that's what I'm using today. And you just hook it up to a shop vac, and then you use the tube to suck up all the dust and lint and hair and fuzzies and a little bit of trash in there and everything. And you just go through and you clean it up. Now we're going to move over to the compressor side and clean up over here. It's just to make it clean. It's not really going to make it more efficient, other than if it built up too much, it would cause there to be too much heat in there and maybe ruin the compressor that way. But just to keep it clean, it's a little bit safer, and just possibly probably work a little bit better this way. Now we're going to move up to the front. I apologize, I turned the camera sideways, but there's no other way to see under there. You see that huge fuzzy dust ball there in the back? We're going to suck that all up, and I do it off of camera. I apologize, but I couldn't do both at the same time. Now you can see straight through it like you're supposed to. And we're going to put the cover on and get it all lined up and get the screws all back on and get it all back together. Now it's going to run a little more efficient. It's going to save me a tiny bit of money. Every penny counts. And it hopefully will last longer this way too. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. I'd appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, hit the like button on the video, share it with anybody you think might be interested. I really appreciate your support.